Bafowethu mina ndiyaloyika idlozi likaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Sokufike uLieutenant Colonel Gavenda apha kuMadlanga Commission usixelela indlela uMinister Senzo Mchunu akathi maka-implicate iqanda leCountry. UGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu kuma-shootings asave iskini sakhe. Hayini bafowethu, andikayithathi itestimony kaFadel Adams, niseza kuyo. Kodwa le, hayi bafowethu ndiyahlonipha idlozi likaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi mina. Uyababona sebeqhumisa impepho thethelela dlozi lami yo thethelela. Uyababona sebeqhumisa impepho thethelela dlozi lami yo thethelela. Uyababona sebeqhumisa impepho thethelela dlozi lami yo thethelela. Hayi bafowethu Fadel Adams namhlanje uthe enhleke fika wabe esitsho indlela akafuna ukuzikorekisha kumanga kasewathethi lapha kuMadlanga Commission. Saka neversion nje ezintsha. Wabe thetha phansi kwanamcimbi wakhe ukusuka eWestern Cape esiza apha eGautini elenda ko-R Tambo esuka ngama-Uber esiya kuma-police station e-Orlando. Hayini bafowethu sekanenye iversion ethi hayi sekekhumbulile into yoba before esiya e-police station wadibana kuqala no-Witness G. Bafowethu igama lika-Witness G selivelile apha kuFadel Adams. Ekambeni kwethuba ndendambona into yoba uyathuka okanye uyazithusisa nje sekaliphahlulile igama lika-Witness G. Hayi bafowethu sezininzi nje into akaziphikayo. Uphika ama-section 27 kunama-pages akathi bewekhona wasekho, kunama-pages athi akhona bewengekho. Hayi isignature kasekho show yeyakhe, ama-initials akasekho show. Sekafuna nje uku-implicate kwa i-IDEC lena. Ningalibalanga bafowethu kunala recording leya eyayisasixelelwe nguDrew Shanta ndithi akayenza uDrew mhla eyo interviewer sona esisigeleke nguFadel Adams. Hayi lo recording leyo kaloku thina sayiva nguFadel Adams wathi idlalwe, wademand mayidlalwe, which is about 2 hours. Seva even before isiza pha kuMadlanga Commission uthe sekefikile nalapha wathi hayi mayidlalwe, uthethe into ezingaphelelanga uDrew. Kwathiwa hayi sizakudlalela yona ikhona ungabi naxhala, uzasixelela nje baze eziphi ezindawo eziphatho ofuna into ba mazidlalwe phi apha kuMadlanga Commission. Hayini bafowethu uza nento entsha ngoku sekafuna ukuvulela uDrew icase phansi koba esithi uDrew kaloku azange afumane i-permission i-consent apha kuye phansi koba ke ikhona nje ilonyana ezaphinda improtect kwa uDrew, because if you are part of i-conversation uyakwazi nje into yoba urekhode umuntu awudingi ncam imvume yakhe. Ubiya uzala nkomoni bafowethu asiyazi phansi koba ke ethe nje kwezinye izinto akasafuna ukuzithatha. Bafowethu wakhiphile uFadel Adams amagama oba ubone ngathi ushiywa zingqondo. Wathi hayi lento iyamtlharharha kitlharharha vela ye. Wathi hayi ngoku uyazibona ba uBiderfu nje. Hayi bafowethu wakhiphile nje amagama okuba uyazibona ba ucholeyeka yonke lento ubona ngathi kukhona inyawo lemfene apho ngapha uxokile into yoba wafonelwa ngo IGI. Hayi jikiphethu azange ifonelwe IGI, wafonelwa yifemale eyise officeini ye-IGI. Hey bafowethu zimxelela i-commissioners zoba uyaxoka ubaloyi kukhona futhi lapho ucommissioner baloyi imxelele khona wathi either futhi uxoka apha kuthi okanye uxoka ku-ADO committee. Ibingamanga nje into ibipha. Uwakhiphile amagama ngowakho umlomo athi hayi uDermakari right now. Ndathi ya ziyakhala ke ngoku. Bafowethu uFadel Adams sekezidistansa nalapha kuma-section 27 uba hayi signature zingathayo zakhe. Hayi akakhumbula into ethile uyayikhumbula zikhona kumele bazikhona ezifaka ama-PKTT nama-forklift akazibona into bazisekho. Hey bafowethu ininzi nje into kaFadel Adams kukuthi kaloku wathi efika apha ngo-day 1 wathi nje we must forget what he says with social media, because that is him acting like a fool half the time. Hayi namhlanje uthe nje uyazibona into yoba ubamba oyeke uyanqwakunqwakuza ushiywa zingqondo. Hayi ndithetha amagama akhe futhi bafowethu ndizazifaka nje iclips zakhe apho boso ubona into yoba hayi uFadel Adams ayisavakali lento yakhe. Ndithetha nje sendi-excited ndifuna ukuthetha ngale testimony elandelayo okuye kaLieutenant Colonel Gavenda. Bafowethu selapha kuFadel Adams. uFadel Adams nizakhumbula kaloku uba ngabuzwe le into athi wayiva ngo-General Lincoln, ubuzwa le ngo-General Lincoln waze wadikwa mosi u-advocate Ncube into yoba makayeke ukusoloko evika apha nge-dead person. yonke into nje umane sithi awayiva ngonto. In fact khona phethe wathi khona 90% of izinto waziva ngoGeneral Lincoln ongasekhoyo uGeneral Lincoln. Hayi ke bafowethu kunama developments amatsha. UProfessor Brian uze nayo into ethi lento ethethwa nguNto ayikho, ithethwa nguFidel Adams ayikho, kwakuyindoda wayephila nayo, uyamazi indlela wayehlonipha ngayo, ethanda ngakhona uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. He spoke highly of uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Leyo bakuzohuqwana negama lakhe phansi ayiyiyo eyenziwa nguFidel Adams. Nabafowethu ndizilindele i-charges ze-perjury nje, case yakhe yokuqala yena uFidel Adams, both ku-ADO committee nalapha kuMadlanga commission. Bafowethu sithe sajonge leyo kwavela into yoba ifamily kaTatu Lincoln ithi nje izomvulela i-criminal case for uhuqana negama lika General Lincoln. Hayi ke yakhona ivideo nayo seyivele setshulathwayo bafowethu apho kubonakala ingathi inkosikazi eyakhe uGeneral Lincoln, but ke ngokuyona uthethe ngathi hayi uyabaza ubudlelwane bakhe noboka General Lincoln noFidel Adams ngabantu babesoloko bedibana, uze wazi ngathi indlela itiya yakhe yenziwa ngakhona uFidel Adams, indlela leyo wayequqa khona kwakhe hayi bangabantu bebeclose do engazi baba bencokolani. Uba ipurpose yala video intoni andiyazi bafowethu. Ubiya uzala Nkomoni haya siyasi already bengeke angabi Dirmakari sekevile ba yonke lento akasayiphendulela ngapha. Ama general wethu sewecleariwe, icourt sayithe nje we withdraw all charges against general ababethu, they are all cleared bafowethu. Ngapha yena beke sebhizi sesesitulweni esichuchiswana nalanto phansi koba sebecleariwe bona general bethu ngapha. Sisalindileke ukuva because nika National Commissioner iNPA iconfirmile into yoba icase yakhe i-under review. Nizakhumbula neyo General Dumisani Khumalo yaqala ya-under review, then after ukuba under review seva kuthiwa hayi provisionally bathi baya withdraw ama-charges, then ke ngokunamhlanje zinge-21 ka-August 2026 kulapho bebewayi-withdrawa khona formally bonke. Hayini bafowethu ivideo zabo nje apho ukubona ba ilusizana nje lento, but ke ngamapolisa abewesazi story sayo ngizazi attach nje nazo apha neze zobuDirmakari ngizawuqala ngazo ezikaFidel Adams, then towards the end ndifake eze-general zethu apho besezi-interviewa khona after ke i-judgment ichilo nje into yoba we withdraw all charges against general bethu. Hayi bafethu kuzadlalwa ngoku, let the game begins. Ayikho into akakasayivuma ncama uFidel Adams. Hayi ke noMinister Sezomchunu akamshiyanga bafowethu kwayena nje kuyo yonke lento yakhe kuleyo plot twist nje seyibonakala ingathi yenzeka phi apha. I-question ithi ngubani yena mntu obeke phutha i-pressure kulento, kodwa nalithemba loba izawuvela.
Advocate, if I can tell you honestly, I'm probably the most confused person in this room right now, because this is making me question my own sanity right now, but I know I put those things in there.
Okay. And what compounds it is that you confirm the signatures on the pages?
Yes, I can't speak for Councillor Solomon's. I can't speak for, but these appear to be my signatures.
Okay.
So,
can I just check, Mr. Adams? You say you don't recall. What could you have been saying about the PKTT? In your affidavit, that must be clear. You must be clear about that.
I can tell you what I said about the PKTT.
Yes.
And I'm not going to mention the officer's name because I believe cases are being withdrawn today. But there was one gentleman who was a driver, who was promoted from a driver, which I believe to be a sergeant, to a lieutenant colonel. He skipped various ranks. And that, I know I mentioned that. I asked to look into that. I asked. I'm Dirmakar right now because, as you can see, I mean, even in my section 27.
No need for onsok Dirmakar.
No, I'm saying
Go to page 57 of file 2, your file 2.
Oh, just a minute. You said you were explicit about the forklift, and you were explicit about PKTT as well,
yes.
weren't you?
Yes, Commissioner. Excuse me for what I'm about to say.
Yes.
I'm starting to feel like a madman with what these people are saying about my paperwork. That, if you understand, because it's been a while ago, but I know I put that in there. I know, and that is why when Ms. Ransami mentions it, I'm agreeing with her on that. With everything else I disagree, I agree with her on that.
Thank you.
All the charges against all of you have been withdrawn by the public prosecutor. You are free to go.
I'm not sure how do I feel, but then one is ready to continue doing what is right and serving the people of South Africa the way we've been doing. The whole issue did not have any impact in terms of our commitment and our calling to serving the people of this country.
Obviously, you're a witness at the Madlanga Commission. You've laid your evidence, the testimony. Do you feel vindicated now that you have testified that there were, elements of criminality within the criminal justice system, and this is again one way of unraveling all of that?
I will not want to go that far to use the words vindicated, because they might suggest that there was something that was tangible against myself and the team. So, yeah, I'll just say the truth. At least it's out, whether through Madlanga or through the court processes.
What do you make of the fact that crime intelligence officials were targeted deliberately? This, of course, targeting the heartbeat of the SAPS. This is quite concerning.
Very concerning for the country, but then we tried our best, and we are still trying our best for that impact not to negatively affect then the services that are expected from us.
Should we expect any arrest soon?
No comments on that.
Several months have been among the most difficult. I entered public service, with the belief that my skills and experience would contribute to nation building. And instead, I found myself being arrested, prosecuted, and portrayed in a manner that I maintain does not resonate with, is inconsistent with who I am and the life I have built. Being arrested, being prosecuted, and being driven to court behind a police van, is an experience I will not wish even upon my waist anymore. Watching my name become national news while I was still trying to understand what was happening was devastating. The impact was not only emotional, psychological, but it impacted me professionally and financially. But I'm grateful to my family for carrying this burden with me. Today, the unconditional withdrawal brings me enormous relief. It does not undo everything that happened. However, it gives me freedom to start rebuilding my life.